Welcome to SCOTtrends.com. My name is Mark Melnick, and before I start today, guys, if you're not here, you're losing out on one of the best opportunities out there for traders in the market. You are missing out if you are not here with us today and every day. So we're going to go over some of the stocks, and you'll see why I'm saying this. We're going to go over some of the picks here. We're going to start off with FFIV. Stock we were watching. We were calling it on the daily. We were looking for a break of 112.05, 52-week high. Stock pre-market pulled down underneath it, hit a low of 111.53, and the move was just spectacular. I'm embarrassed to say that most of us only got $1 or $2 out of the trade when there was a lot more on the table. So I'm going to pull up a 5-minute chart and just show you the intensity of this move. Within 15 minutes, FFIV went from a 111.53 to a high of 115.91. That's a $4 plus move. $4.40 move within 15 minutes. It was absolutely tremendous. We were calling it. We were all over it. We planned for it. We walked you through it. We called out where we were buying. We called out where we were selling. Guys, you need to be part of this service. Come here for a free trial and definitely check it out. Moving on, we're going to take a look at NTGR, Netgear, another stock on our radar today that we just absolutely love. We were looking at a few triggers today. The first and biggest trigger, we were looking for a 52-week high break of Netgear from its October 25th high, $30.09. And just, oh my God, you could see that daily bar absolutely exploded. The volume, the bullishness was all in there. But let's look at it on a 5-minute to show you where this stock broke from at 30.09. And you could just see from this 30.09 level that the stock just exploded, easily just threw you $1 in your face, $1.50 in your face before pulling back and then eventually going up higher. It was an unbelievable call. I cannot emphasize enough how much you need to be a part of this and how much you need to be a part of our state-of-the-art web TV technology here, where we broadcast trades to you in real time with trigger prices, entries. We make life easy. Moving on here, we're going to take a look at JDA software. That's JDAS. Taking a look here on JDAS, we were looking at a trigger in JDAS, $25.98, right over here. Never quite got there. Never quite got there today, but look what happened in the morning. Just an absolute explosion bar up off the gap up. We were in a little early. We were riding it a little early on, and the stock just trotted up throughout the day. It was awesome. We were all over it. It was great. Last but not least, I'm going to talk about eQuix. Captain Gap Fill of the century over here. Guys, you need to be part of this website to catch plays like this. We were looking, stock reported, crushed the street, cloud computing sector. We just saw just get absolutely crushed. And one day this stock went from $105.09 to a low of $69.42. Guys, a $40 drop approximately in value in the stock. Stock then forms a bear flag here on the daily. Stock reports, crushes the street, says, why are you bringing me down here? I belong back up there. And we're just looking at this tremendous gap fill that started $80.78. And that was our buy trigger. Look at what this stock did when it broke $80.78 right here. The stock just absolutely exploded. Just absolutely exploded here. Shot up. I mean, literally on a 5-minute bar, you were up over $2 in the stock. The stock has no resistance. The call is to have the stock potentially get back to over $100 eventually in the coming week, and it's definitely one we're going to keep on the radar here. Guys, if you're not part of this, it's be here or, be somewhere else where you're not being helped. This is the site you want to be on. Come here, take a free trial. There is no strings attached. www.SCOTtrends.com. Congratulations to everyone today who had their best days today. Very nice job. Very well done. Proud of you guys. Please visit us. Happy trading. Make money. And I will see you guys tomorrow.